In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check activity on Salesforce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find a contact's activity timeline, how to review what's coming due, and how to fine-tune activities with quick actions and filters so you always stay on top of your follow-ups. Start from the Salesforce homepage. From here, head to Contacts. This takes you to your contacts list. You can open the list view you're already on or switch to a recent view. The important thing is to select the specific contact you want to review. Click into that contact's record to open their details. On the contact record, locate the activity section. This is your hub for everything that has happened and everything that's about to happen with this contact. To zero in on what needs attention first, select the upcoming and overdue view. This instantly filters the timeline to show tasks and events that are due soon or already past due, so you can prioritize the most urgent items. Next, click into a specific activity on the list to review its details. In this example, choose the item labeled Send Letter. This opens the activity record where you can verify the subject, due date, assigned user, priority, and any related comments or descriptions. Take a moment to confirm the specifics you need, then navigate back to the contact's timeline to continue working from the list. Back on the timeline, use the checkboxes next to activities to select the ones you want to update. With the relevant activities checked, update their status by choosing In Progress. This is a quick way to reflect that you've started working on those items without marking them complete. Once you've made the change, click Save. So the updates are recorded, you'll see the new status on the timeline, and anyone viewing the contact will immediately understand where things stand. Now let's open the Show More Actions menu on an activity. This menu is a powerful set of tools to manage the item without leaving the timeline. Choose Edit Comments to add clarifying notes, next steps, or context for teammates. Use Change Date to move the due date forward or back if priorities shift. Create Follow-up Task is perfect for chaining your work. Once this item is finished, the follow-up will already be queued. Change Status lets you quickly switch between values like Not Started, In Progress, or Completed, depending on your process. Change Priority helps you escalate or de-escalate the urgency so the most critical work is highlighted. If you need to adjust fields beyond comments, pick Edit to open the full activity editor. If an item is no longer needed, select Delete to remove it from the timeline. Confirm only when you're certain, as that action can't always be undone. If the next touchpoint should be a meeting rather than a task, choose Create Follow-up Event to schedule time on the calendar. And if your org uses visual categorization, use Edit Labels to tag activities so they're easier to scan and report on later. When you're ready to fine-tune what you see, open Timeline Settings. Here, switch the scope from All Activities to My Activities if you only want to see items assigned to you, then click Apply. This filter helps you focus on your personal workload without losing the full historical context when you need it. You can always toggle back to all activities and apply again to see the broader picture. That's the full flow. Open the contact, focus on upcoming and overdue, review an item like Send Letter, return to the timeline, update statuses to In Progress, save, use the Show More Actions menu for edits, follow-ups, and organization, and finally refine your view and timeline settings by applying the My Activities filter. With these steps, you'll quickly understand what's pending, make the right updates in seconds, and keep your pipeline moving smoothly.